Joey Savatgy to Triumph in 2024. That's what the rumors are now. Joshua Anderson posted this over on X. He said, the rumors are that Joey Savatgy is going to move down to the 250 motocross class for outdoors this year and run the 250 for Triumph and then roll right into Supercross on the new Triumph 450 in 2025. Chris Riesenberg says he does not like this move because guys dropping back down to a 250 typically always struggle, and I would agree. He said it just sucks because I think Savatgy should have a full-time factory 450 seat with a proven team. Agree with that as well. Josh says the chain of events from 2017 Vegas is astonishing. If you remember, that's when Zach Osborne pretty much snatched that Supercross title right from underneath Joey Savatgy in literally the second to last turn. So what do you guys think about this Triumph stuff? We now know at least 3, maybe 4 riders that are going to be involved. Supercross starts in 4 months, and we still we know almost literally nothing about the machine.